How's it going, Mech Arena players? MD Rio Almar here, showing you the power of healing. I'm going to start out with my new Salvor Rosa build. Trying to stay out of the trouble, but still able to help. See if I can pull it off. I've been getting taken out pretty easily lately, so it's not as easy as I was hoping, but, you know, I'll just have to learn the mech. Wow. Whoa. Uh-oh, is that a Deathwalker? Jeez. Uh-oh. Come on, Frank Lloyd, no! No. Oh. Oh my god. Alright, let's see if I can make this shot here. Oh, that was fun though. You could see the mods were really holding me on there. Alright, Vortex time. I love Vortex, such a brawler. Such an effective mech. It's like the definition of a wrecking ball, in the best way. No offense to Nomad. I know Nomad's supposed to be the wrecking ball of the game. Tango is the most underrated, I think. Ooh. I see Hemlock disagrees. Disruptors are so much fun. I swear, people say that they're like not as effective as Storm Rack, and you know, they're just what you play if you want to have fun, not if you want to be good. But I think that they are just nasty. The damage that you see come off of disruptors when they're maxed out is incredible. You know, you shoot it into any group of players trying to coordinate some sort of buffs with each other. It just ruins everyone's day. Everyone's day. I've taken out 3 people at a time with disruptors because they were too close to each other. It's just amazing. You know, like the only thing that did that ever in the game was like old school disc launchers back when the radius wasn't messed with. So, you know, disruptors are just bringing that kind of energy. Even EMs, when they were OP, weren't doing anything like that. So it's just like so beautiful. The only other thing is like in the early game, you know, artillery does that type of stuff. So yeah, disruptors are just so satisfying. Obviously they're not as fast as Storm Racks, but you know, if you want to play Storm Rack, play Storm Rack. For sure. Just don't hate on disruptors. Just because that's not your style. I've been playing this game since almost the very beginning. And so I've seen all the different metas. I remember Surge when it wasn't really Surge. It was closer to like Redox. It was like a terrible version of Zephyr. Alright, live game here. No, twice with that stuff. What is it? What is it? Why are you doing that to me? Why are you doing that to me? Don't do that to me. It's not nice. Alright, anyone over here need a heal? Alright, that's Joe. Nice. That's nice being able to heal without just running. Oopsie. No! Nice. How did I dodge that? Okay, Matt. Alright. Shoot. No. Come on, gotta get over here, Nice. Okay, Cranky, gotta get you a heal. The timing on that was incredible. Oh my god, this is the match where I stopped being terrible at using this. Oh my god, I feel like I'm actually making a difference. This is amazing. This is amazing. We're actually fighting our way back to the center point. Oh my god, I feel like the support mech I've always wanted to be. I said that in such a weird way, but I seriously, like, wow, like, okay. Ooh. That was tough to keep track of all the, me locking onto the enemy. Okay, who else is here? Who else needs a heal, damn? Nice, they all ganged up on me. It feels good when that happens. My turn to get some revenge, fools. Oh, well. Maybe I should have picked Storm Rack. Oh, are we gonna lose this just dang match? Oh, come on. Come on, like... Oh, what a shame. Well, I think I still did well with the Salvor. It's just, they just got the best of us. They're a good team. They definitely performed well together. Alright. Well, those were some cool matches there. This is the build I'm using right now.